Letter of Credit course. What are the objective of Letter of Credit course? Letter of Credit course will aid you to learn the significance of the docudrama letter of credit in enabling profession and also the versatility of this tried and tested instrument in addressing a range of market problems and also customer requirements. The key function of a letter of credit is to ensure repayment. Although the conditions of a letter of credit might differ based on your scenario and also the financial institution's guidelines, letters of credit basically allow you to maximize the bank's credit scores instead of relying upon your very own. The vendor knows that if you don't come through with funds, the financial institution will. This promise to pay is crucial for establishing new company relationships. Letter of Credit course is outstanding for newbies as well as functions as a refresher course and upgrade for knowledgeable experts. Our instructor will certainly establish the training course degree based on participants' demands. To obtain an understanding of nature, functional demands, and risks connected with issuing and obtaining letters of credit, in their many forms. Learn how to determine consumer requirements and advise appropriate options, as well as examine different risks to both financial institutions and clients in global professional deals. Understand just how to make use of export letters of credit efficiently to maximize the defense which they manage. Through the use of instructor-led sessions as well as sensible case studies, be able to identify means of mitigating the underlying risks associated with trade financing transactions and perform the procedures entailed. About Letter of Credit course certifications. An Letter of Credit course not only improves your career and promotion prospects. For trade practitioners in a highly competitive global market, this course puts you head and shoulders above your peers by demonstrating your deep knowledge as a trade professional. This course is a very useful course for entrepreneurs who want to enter the lucrative field of international trade. This program will specifically deal with the functional concerns in letters of credit, deals with comprehensive conversations on essential UCP 600 short articles. Significance of Letter of Credit certifications in 2021. Letter of Credit course will certainly help you comprehend the worldwide trade terminology and official policies. Letter of Credit training course is for anyone operating in worldwide trade from novices to experienced importers and also merchants. Think about the Letter of Credit course as it will. It allows you to demonstrate a degree of know-how in documentary credit reports. It enhances your expertise and also understanding of the intricate concerns related to docudrama credit best practice. It aids you to create the skills needed to use your expertise in the workplace and optimize your efficiency. It aids you to find out how to adhere to regulatory requirements. It promotes development in client service and boosts your customer connections. Training facility in UAE, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah. If you are looking for a Letter of Credit course in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and Sharjah in UAE, you are reading the right article. Zabeel Institute has designed the best Letter of Credit preparation course. This certification training offered by Zabeel Institute stands out from other training in the market. Zabeel Institute is well known for delivering several successful batches for Letter of Credit every year. Zabeel ensures to help all students with all sorts of assistance for their brilliant performance in the exam. Zabeel Institute, established in 1988, is a leading educational and training institute for executives in Dubai. Zabeel Institute is by the KHDA and Ministry of Education UAE. For further information, please contact phone 00971 43974 WhatsApp 009715052585501. Email mail@zabeelinstitute.ae. Website www.zabeelinstitute.ae. Inquiry https://zabeelinstitute.ae/inquire/